Good day and welcome to 11D30 Tech 3D Printing. I'm your host, Earl Cannonbear. Today we look at the final version of the Turntable record player object adapter. If you haven't seen the first part of this video, I have a link in the description below, but the quick recap is I needed a way to set things on my turntable and be able to shoot video of it. And with the spindle in the middle, it's hard to get it centered and or balanced. So my solution was I 3D printed an object adapter that goes on top, like so, which raises everything above the spindle, and you can put stuff right in the dead center. And boom, Bob's your uncle. So if you've got a turntable, and you want to take some fancy pictures, some fancy video, you could print this off, put it on your turntable, and take some pictures or some video. Now I'm using a DJ turntable. That's really not even a turntable, it's a compact disc player, but it's got a spindle that spins, so it serves my purposes really nice because I can also speed it up and slow it down. Works out great. So yeah, I have two versions. I've got a standard version that I have in black, and then I have a version in this sort of gray that's got lines, not lines, circles. So if you wanted to make sure you get something dead center, you can drop it right in the old target. And there you go. And once again, Bob is your uncle. So there you go. It's pretty simple. It prints on a 200 by 200 millimeter bed. It prints in 3 parts. There's my first go at it. You don't need anything on the bottom layer. I didn't print any bottom layers on any of these. Just print it out 3 times, snap them together, and you're good. So that is my final design. So thanks for watching. I have links to the Turntable record player object adapter on Thingiverse and MyMiniFactory, as well as the Fusion 360 files linked down below. If you're wondering what the photo light box is that looks like it might be made from an IKEA lac table, well, it's a light box made from an IKEA lac table. It's the subject of my next video, so go ahead and get subscribed so you don't miss that. Until my next video, I've been Earl Cannonbear for 11D30 Tech. Good day, eh? Oh, and if you wanted to, you can maybe click on one of the other videos that might be popping up, like maybe the link to the first part of this video, or maybe another link to another video. I'll just stand here and watch you. Think about clicking on a link.